So today I have another of these painting spree paintings where I'm using up the mixed paints that I've had on my shelf for a couple of years. I haven't really been able to get rid of them, and they're, hanging out in the living room driving me nuts, but I can't really throw them away either because in the trash bag they spill everywhere, and then I gotta put that in my car and take it to the dumpster, so it's kind of a mess to get rid of. So we just had this weird freak weather where the July was low 80s, so I was able to do the kinds of pours that I like in the middle of summer, and then it also miraculously rained for like the first time in over a month. So I had the time and it was cooler, so I thought it was a good time to just use up a bunch of paint, and I did a few paintings. So I'm not really a person that likes red. I almost never use red. I probably have just a handful of paintings that I've tried red before. But since I'm getting down on the shelf, I've used up all the blues. I'm getting to the colors that I don't really like as much, like the yellows and the reds. So I decided to go with a color combination that I used in the past. I think it was maybe a Mina color scheme, and it didn't really work out the first time. As you can see, I kind of had a really segmented original pattern, but the second version that I did, just trying to salvage the canvas, I ended up liking this one a lot. I kind of didn't think I would like a red painting, but this one kind of grew on me. I might actually end up keeping this one. I wasn't really going to be making any more videos, but I figured I like this one a lot, so maybe enough people would watch this one to make it worthwhile to make a video. I'll probably be wrong on that and regret it, but I figured I'll give it a shot. So maybe there's a couple people out there that will enjoy this one, and maybe in the future, if I ever pour again, it will give me an idea of what I did, because I always think I'm going to remember and I never do. So I kind of like having videos of ones that I end up liking for future reference. So I hope you enjoy this one.